Good morning, everybody. To our Provincial Jail Administrator, Senior Inspector Julius Macadat Sampaga, sir, good morning. Our JLG, Dennis Perez de la Cruz, Provincial Local Government Operation Officers 6, and our warden, and our PRM is due for Catherine M. Candidato. To all my fellow officer and our colleague, good morning. Today remarks a significant milestone, ones that both humbling and today emotional after 25 years and 11 months of dedicated service in the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. I now face the close of this chapter in my life, carrying with me the fried lessons and memories that only a life in uniform can offer. When I began this journey, I made a promise to serve with integrity, to uphold the law, and to carry out every duty, no matter how difficult, with dignity and discipline. Through the years, I've come to understand that the uniform is not just a symbol of authority, but of responsibility, sacrifice, and deep commitment to public service. Every duty, those two words define my service. Whether it's what's pain, inspection, or responding to critical situation, I showed up not just because it was my job, but because it was my calling. I am proud of that. I stand here not alone, but lifted by the support of many people who walk this path with me. To Senior Jail Inspector Julius Macadat Sampaga, our acting Provincial Jail Administrator of Masbate, thank you, sir, for your leadership and the confidence of placed in us. Your guidance helped shift our direction. To Jail Inspector Daniel E. Campos, acting Warden of Placer District Jail, your steady leadership, sir, and professionalism were invaluable. The day-to-day challenges we face, at maraming salamat po. To SG4 Catherine Candidato, ma'am, thank you for your camaraderie, liability throughout the years. Your presence made the hard days lighter and the burdens easier to bear. To our Local Government Operation Officer 6, Dennis P. de la Cruz, thank you, sir, for the consistent support and partnership. Your dedication to good governance and collaboration with our agency made a strong impact on our work in the community. To my fellow officer and personnel BJMP, salamat sa bayang serbisyo. We've shared long nights, difficulties, duties, and moments of laughter in between. What we have is more than just teamwork, it's brotherhood and sisterhood. To my family, my solid foundation and my greatest source of strength, to my loving wife, Annalisa Narido Bisonia, thank you for being my partner in life, my constant support through the tough seasons. Your sacrifice and love are beyond measure. To my children, Apule, Picole, Dimpule, Taps, Nicole, and Pence, you give this reason to work hard, to stay strong, and to keep going no matter how hard. The duty, I am proud of each one of you. To my grandchildren, Dayan and Artean, and one more, on the way, you are my joy and legacy. I look forward to spending more time with you and watching you grow. To my family, this retirement is not just for me, it's for all of us. Thank you for enduring the missed dinners, the sleepless night, worrying and for praying for my safety every time I leave for duty. As I transition into retirement, I do with full heart. I may be taking off the uniform, but I will forever carry its values with me: discipline, service, and compassion. To those who continue the mission, stay firm, is stay honorable and never forget why we serve, because in every duty, big or small, we make a difference. Thank you for all meaningful stand-up. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataong magkapaglingkod. Mabuhay BJMP, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. To God be the glory. Thank you, sir.